Good afternoon, students. And so today I'm going to go over how you can use ChatGPT for your essays. And so we're going to go over how you can use ChatGPT to get essay feedback from ChatGPT. So let's say that you write your essay, but then you're not sure if the essay is any good. So then you can go to ChatGPT and then you could click and say, give essay feedback on essay structure, grammar, structure, and tone, and then you cut and paste your essay into ChatGPT. You press submit, and I'll do this for you at the end of this lecture. So without further ado, I'm going to go over the exciting ways in which you can get essay feedback from ChatGPT. So here is my lecture. Today's lecture on ChatGPT, and so AI editor in your pocket. So hey everyone, ever feel like your essays could use a little extra polish? Worried about grammar mistakes or missing the key point? Well, fret no more. Today we're exploring how to use ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool, to get insightful feedback on your writing. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model, like a digital writing coach, packed with knowledge. It can analyze your writing, identify areas for improvement, and even offer suggestions to strengthen your arguments. So getting feedback from ChatGPT. So here's how to unlock the feedback power of ChatGPT. Paste your work. Simply copy and paste your essay into the ChatGPT interface. Craft a clear prompt. Tell ChatGPT what kind of feedback you're looking for. Do you want help with grammar errors, clarity, or strengthening arguments? The more specific you are, the better the feedback will be. Unlock the insights. ChatGPT will analyze your writing and provide feedback based on your prompt. It can identify areas like clunky sentences, unclear points, or missing evidence. ChatGPT goes beyond basic grammar checks. Here's what else it can do. Flow and transitions. It can suggest improvements to the flow of your essay and identify areas where transitions are needed. Strengthen your arguments. ChatGPT can analyze your arguments and suggest ways to make them more persuasive, with evidence or counter arguments to consider. Word choice and clarity. ChatGPT can highlight areas where your language could be more precise and impactful. And so ChatGPT is like your 24/7 coach. You can get feedback anytime, anywhere. No more waiting for teacher comments. Tailored feedback based on your specific needs and writing style. Improved confidence. Gain confidence in your writing by identifying and addressing areas for improvement. While ChatGPT is a valuable tool, remember it's not a magic bullet. Always review its suggestions critically and use your own judgment to ensure that your essay reflects your voice and style. Don't forget to cite any sources referenced in the feedback. So ditch the essay anxiety and embrace the power of AI feedback. With ChatGPT as your virtual writing coach, you'll be turning out polished and impactful essays in no time. Get ready to raise your grades and impress your teachers. So now I'm going to, basically what I found is that my students have really gained confidence in their writing ever since they've used ChatGPT. You can also use Grammarly as well, because Grammarly also has an AI component. And with Grammarly, you can also rephrase your sentences one by one, and it can improve your vocabulary as well. And so if you have, well, I'm not finished yet, that's right. I almost thought I was going to finish the video. And so now, in this next part, I will show you how ChatGPT can give you essay feedback. So I will share my screen. That's not sharing the screen. That's sharing the screen. And I will look for my ChatGPT if I can find it. ChatGPT, is that it? Yeah, that's it. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to some of my previous students' papers. Let's see if I can find somebody's paper that I can use. So Valerie, is this a good one? No, that's not it. Definition, here we go. Yeah, so here's something that a student wrote. And so this is an actual essay that a student wrote. And so I would cut and paste the essay, and then I would write, give essay feedback on the grammar, essay structure, tone, punctuation, and mechanics. Then you cut and paste your essay, the entire essay. I just cut and paste the entire essay into the prompt, and now I send the message. And then this is the part I always find so, remarkable, is that then it goes over what it is you have to fix. Then it says grammar and mechanics, essay structure, tone, punctuation, and sentence variety. There is a good mix of simple, compound, and complex sentences, which adds variety and keeps the reader engaged. So let's see if I can find another one. Okay, so let's do this again. Here's another student paper. And I think that is not a student paper. Okay, so obviously this was the only one that was an actual student paper. So if you have any questions, and so as you can see, you can use ChatGPT for essay feedback, and my students love it. They're in love with being able to give feedback to each other, because then usually they would feel kind of shy, but now with ChatGPT they feel confident that their feedback actually helps. And another thing about ChatGPT is it gives you thorough feedback, not just the general feedback that a busy teacher may not have time to go into every little detail. But the thing about ChatGPT is it can give you a lot of detail. So let's say I wanted more grammar examples. So let's go back before I finish this particular, I promise I'll end it very soon, but I just wanted to show you one more thing. If I can find my share the screen and go back to where I was, this and this. So this is not it. Share the screen. Okay, so I would stop share. Anyway, so if I were to do this, that's it. Bingo, that's it. Yeah. So if I wanted, for example, I wanted more examples, give essay feedback on more examples for improving grammar or something like that. Then you cut and paste the essay, and here it will give you sentence by sentence examples of how you can improve your grammar. Then, or give me essay feedback on how to improve sentence structure, and also get rid of all my fragments. Okay, then you cut and paste. Oh, and also get rid of, now that I'm thinking about it, get rid of first and second person case, and make sure my essay is in third person case. I always tell my students that if you want to have a professional tone, you have to write your essay in third person case. And so instead of having to manually take out I, my, you, us, me, and you and your by yourself using the find and replace on your Microsoft Word, instead you just tell ChatGPT to do it for you. And then you cut and paste your essay, and it will make sure, okay, it will give you improved sentence structure and it will take out any of those first and second person cases, and it will make sure that your essay is a third person case. And if you have third person case he, she, they, that's much more professional tone than if you use first and second person case, which is too conversational. So that's why I love using ChatGPT to improve my writing, for revision, and for putting it into third person case, because I always take off points. I take off, I think, about 20 points when students do not put in third person case, okay? Because in a research paper, your audience is your teacher and other experts. So therefore, that's the most formal tone of English. Therefore, you use third person case. And so if you want to find more tips on how to improve your writing in using AI, you can buy my book called Writing in the Age of AI, ChatGPT Unleashed by ChatGPT on Amazon. And if you like my channel, you can subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time.